Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. Managing a wholesale business is not easy. You have bulk orders, inventory tracking, supplier management, customer pricing, warehouse operations, and accounting all happening at the same time. And many businesses still manage all this using spreadsheets and disconnected software. But what if you could manage your entire wholesale operation using only Odoo Community Edition? In this video, let's see how Odoo Community can streamline a complete wholesale business workflow. So let's begin. The very first thing is understanding the wholesale business workflow. So for that, you will first need your Odoo Community. I have opened, this is the UI. And your workflow will include the customer management, the bulk product sales, supplier purchases, inventory handling, warehouse operations, delivery management, billing, and accounting. And Odoo Community connects all of these into one centralized system. Okay. The very first step is customer and product setup. For that, you can go to the contacts module. So everything starts with the customer and product management. So in Odoo Communities, wholesalers can actually create customer profile from here. So these are the different contacts that you can see. Okay. You can store delivery and billing address. So if I open any of these, you can see Abigail. Now here you have the contacts. You can add different contacts, the sales and purchase details and the addresses can be added over here. So simply add contact. It can be a delivery address, a contact address, an invoice address or any other address. So for a single contact, multiple addresses, multiple types of addresses can be added. Okay. So like the delivery and the invoice addresses. Okay. And you can assign salesperson as well. So I'm discarding it. You can assign these salesperson. If you go to the sales and purchase, you can see the assigning of the salesperson is given over here. Products can be configured with the products module. So let the contacts be here. It's very easy to create a contact. Now you can go to the sales module and you can go to the products here. So this is where you create a new product. So if you click on new, the product creation page comes over here where you can see the product category, that is the product type. The category is here. You can put it under any of these category, whichever category your product belongs to. Then comes the cost, the sales price, and the unit of measure, you can see. And the invoicing policy can be specified as well as the stock quantities. If you are tracking the inventory, means you can see the stock, that is the on-hand quantity. And here you can see the units. Okay. Now here from here, you can actually change the unit of measure. Okay. So currently it's units. By default, it will be units. You can change it to any of these UOM. Okay. So for wholesale businesses handling hundreds or thousands of products, this becomes extremely powerful. Right now, I haven't created any product. I'll simply open one and show you all. Let the bolt be the product. You can see the product type is specified here, the invoicing policy. And if you want, you can track the inventory by quantity and the on-hand quantity will be displayed over here. The sales price, the cost, and if you go to the attributes, you can see the lines where you can add the different attributes of the product. In case if your product have any attributes or variants, that can be added over here. For example, if your product is a shirt, obviously it will be having attributes like size, colors and all, right? So those can be, those attributes and variants can be added over here. Then comes the sales section where you have the upselling and cross-selling, the e-commerce shop, e-commerce media. Then comes the prices where you can add the price list for this particular product, the vendor, the inventory operations where you can see the routes, the traceability and the accounting. So these much details can be added towards a single product. So that's how you add a product. Now you all know how to create a customer, how to add product. Next is the sales workflow. Okay, so when a customer places a bulk order, so as I said before, this is a wholesale business. So obviously a bulk order is what you're expecting from the customer. The sales team should create a quotation in Odoo and the quotation should include the products, quantity, discount, taxes, delivery details and all such things. So yeah, we are inside the sales. Now here you have the quotation. I'm clicking on new. And here comes the customer. So I'll choose a customer and here I'm adding the product. So we'll add any of these product Let it be the, no, that's a course, I guess. Let's create a different product, or in the products, let's set bold. I am tracking the inventory over here, and the on-hand quantity, I'm giving it as 100 or 200. Okay. So you don't have to do it manually. You can purchase it from the, purchase module, and then it will be updated automatically. So let's use this product in the quotation. So from your wholesale business, this product is ordered by the customer. Let's add the product, which is bold. Okay. And the quantity, I'm giving it as 100. We have 200 on hand, and I'm giving the quantity as 100. The unit price is given here. You can change the price if required. Okay. Quantity should be mentioned, and the price, I'm giving it as unit price is 1. So the total will be 100. Okay. Or if you want to change it to 10, then the total changes accordingly. Okay. So that's how it works. Then you can see the taxes by default will be applied over here. And after you do all this, you can simply send it so that the status changes to quotation sent, or you can confirm it to a sale order. Okay. So after confirming it or after approving, the quotation becomes a sale order. And here's where Odoo becomes powerful. The moment the sale order is confirmed, the inventory is reserved automatically, and you can see a delivery order is generated. Okay. So the demand and the quantity which has been delivered is seen here. You can validate it, and it's done right now. So warehouse operations is beginning instantly as soon as you confirm the quotation, and no manual coordination is required over here. Next is the inventory management. So inventory management is really critical for wholesalers. So with Odoo Community, stock level updates in real time can be seen. Incoming and outgoing products are tracked, multi-warehouse locations can be managed, and low stock alerts help avoid shortages. Warehouse teams can actually, process deliveries efficiently using the transfer operations and picking workflows. So this is going to reduce the stock confusion and improves order accuracy. So if you go to the bold, the product on hand quantity has been reduced by 100. Okay, because we have already sold 100. You can see the sold quantity is 100, and if it's not in stock, you can purchase it. If you go to more, you can see the reordering rules, and this is the moves history from where to where the products have been moved. So you can see from WH stock to customer, it has been sent. Okay, and the reordering rules is here. You can set a reordering rule. So as soon as the product goes out of stock, it has been ordered from the customer. So you can trigger it automatically. The route can be set up from here. The minimum and maximum quantity can be set. So minimum, let it be 100. Maximum, let it be 200. So how much to order? Likewise, you can set the rules over here. Okay. So right now I just gave a demo for you all. Let it be there. Next is the delivery workflow. Once the products are packed, Odoo generates delivery orders automatically, as you have seen it. And we have already validated it. Okay. So from there, you can validate the deliveries. Then you can track the pending shipments and monitor the completed transfers. So this creates a smooth delivery workflow from warehouse to the customers. Then let's see the role of the purchase products or purchase management. Okay. So wholesale businesses constantly purchase product from the suppliers. So with Odoo's purchase, you have the purchase over here. Purchase orders can be generated, vendor bills can be tracked, reordering becomes pretty much easier, and whenever the stock levels go low, the purchasing team can replenish inventory quickly. This helps to maintain consistent product availability. Now you can see the product, like if you go to the products here, Bolt is in 100 units. So if you want to add 100 again, go to RFQ, create a new, RFQ for the, let's add the vendor first and add the product, which is Bolt. Set the quantity to 100 again. I want it back as 200. Saving it, confirming the order, and you can see the receipt. Okay, so I'm validating from here, validating the receipt, going back to the purchase order. Okay, and now let's check the products. So go to the products, and if you check, the on-hand quantity is updated to 200. So that's how it works. Then comes the accounting and billing. So Odoo Community also simplifies billing and accounting workflow. When a delivery is completed, customer invoices can be generated instantly. We didn't create the invoice. So there was a button which shows create invoice, which is active. So from here, you can actually create the invoice instantly. The type of invoice can be chosen from here and create a draft. So once it's done, you can confirm and complete the payment. So revenue reports are also updated automatically, and this gives the business owners complete financial visibility. And then comes the reporting and the business analytics. So with built-in reporting tools, wholesalers can analyze the best-selling products and all. So if you go to the sales, you can see the sales analysis, and you have sales based on products. So this is what I said, the best selling products and all can be identified easily from the reporting. The supplier purchases can be that can be taken from the purchase. You have the purchase analysis over here in the purchase module. You can see the purchase analysis reporting. Okay, so from all these reporting, your business can make faster decisions and smarter decisions. So why Odoo Community for Wholesale? It allows the wholesale business to digitize operation without expensive ERP licensing cost. And because everything is connected, sales, inventory purchase, and accounting work together seamlessly. So at Cybrosys, we help wholesale business successfully implement Odoo solutions tailored to their workflow. And we provide Odoo implementation, customization, migration, functional training, technical support, and complete business automation solution. Other than that, we have also introduced a mobile suite for business, which is called as Mobu, where you have all the apps as mobile apps, and it can be easily used using your mobile phone. So please do check it out. I'm giving the link in the description. Whether you run a small business or a large one, it will be helpful for you. So Cybrosys can really help you to transform your workflow with Odoo. So you can run a complete wholesale business using only Odoo Community Edition, and everything works together in one connected system. So if you enjoy this video, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo business workflows. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.